right, breaking inputs coming in. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has clarified on the reports of his resignation. He's dismissed these reports and said that there is no question of resignation at all. Remember, yesterday he had also reiterated that there is no question of leadership change in Karnataka, and again this morning he has reiterated that he's not going to resign. For more on this, I'm joined by my colleague Neha Ibale on the broadcast. Good morning, Neha. What is the reason why B.S. Yediyurappa is being made to clarify, every time he is speaking to the press about the possible change of leadership in Karnataka? Is all well in Karnataka? Because we also understand that he's going to meet JP Nadda and Amit Shah this evening.
Well, that's absolutely right, Archana. This comes after, now for the past about at least 3 months now, we've been hearing in the political corridors of how, there could be a possible change of leadership. Now, the Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa over here actually dismissing any of these allegations and stating very clearly that he is not aware of any change in leadership. Let's remind you that this comes after he met the Prime Minister yesterday, after, the political corridors over here were buzzing with the fact that he may, step down owing to various reasons. Also, of course, it is imperative for us to remember over here, Archana, that even the, party high command over here, or the in charge of the state, Arun Singh, was in Bengaluru just a couple of days back as well. Then too, this issue was discussed. Largely, this is stemming from the fact that there are several MLAs right now who are making statements against the Chief Minister, who are in fact, demanding a change in leadership of sorts, which is why this entire issue has stemmed up. And we now understand that, the Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa will also be meeting JP Nadda right now, and he'll also later be meeting Amit Shah, is what we are picking up. However, for now, he has gone on to reiterate that there will not be any change in leadership in the state of Karnataka.
Right. Neha, if I could ask you one more question for the benefit of our viewers, if you could explain what is leading to these rumors, what has been going on in the Karnataka politics that that we've reached a stage where the Chief Minister has to confirm one moment after the other that he's not resigning. What we know is that there was dissent brewing in the party. Arun Singh was sent to Karnataka in order to pacify all sides, and then there was this order after that 3-day meeting that nobody will openly criticize Karnataka Chief Minister. They will be punished if they do so. So from then on, what has changed that once again these developments and these rumors have peaked at this moment?
Well, Archana, one must take this back to 2 years, ever since the Karnataka leadership itself, the party, governance itself changed in the state of Karnataka. It was under the leadership of, Mr. B.S. Yediyurappa that we saw the BJP even coming to power over here in the state of Karnataka. It was, in fact, a very well-executed operation, if you could call it that. We saw how several rebels, from the JDS Congress combined also actually switched to the BJP, and that is how, they actually managed to get the strength that they required over here to actually, come into power. And ever since that has happened, we've been seeing that there have been several sections of the party over here, or several MLAs, several factions within the party itself, that have sort of turned against the Yediyurappa camp over here. And they have, in fact, been putting in all efforts to actually ensure that, he is unseated. So, having said that, it is important, Archana, to remember over here that, yes, while there is some sort of dissidence that has been brewing within the party, there have been a few MLAs, a handful of them, of course, who have been speaking out openly against the Chief Minister, despite warnings, despite Arun Singh also coming down and warning, all the MLAs not to sort of speak against the Chief Minister. We're still seeing how, this hasn't exactly stopped any of the MLAs. So now, this time around, what we're possibly looking at is, that the Chief Minister confirming that, there will not be a change of leadership. However, one thing that really needs to be looked at over here, Archana, is the fact that while this was being termed as an official visit, it was the Chief Minister going along with his sons over here. The BJP Vice President also over here. In fact, B.Y. Vijendra, his son, was also present with him. And none of the ministers actually over here of the state of Karnataka.
I'm sorry, I'll have to interrupt. Yediyurappa is speaking. Let's listen in.
Day and night, and come back to the power in Karnataka. For that I agreed, and I will do full time, and I will work for the party to come back to power again in the Karnataka.
ಸರ್, ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ನಾಯಕರು ಜೆ.ಪಿ. ನಡ್ಡಾ ಅವರನ್ನ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
ಶಬ್ದ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದರ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯವನ್ನು ಸಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳೀಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾದ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು
There is news are coming that change of guard.
There is no such rumors at all. When yesterday I met Prime Minister, we discussed in detail about the development of the state, and again I will come back to Delhi on first week of next month, and I will discuss in detail. These are all things. There is no value for that news.
So as of now, you have not resigned, sir.
Not at all. Not at all. Not at all.
All right, so that was Karnataka Chief Minister Yediyurappa ruling out any reports or buzz about his resignation or change of guard.